In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create salary chart in Microsoft Excel. To begin, make sure your salary data is already organized in your worksheet. You will want to include the employee names along with the salary values, and it is also important to include the header row so Excel can clearly identify what each column represents. This helps the chart display useful labels and makes the final result much easier to understand. Start by highlighting the data cells you want to use. Select the full range that includes both the employee names and the salary headers. Be careful to include only the relevant data for the chart. If you accidentally leave out the headers or select extra blank cells, the chart may not appear as clean or readable as it should. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This is where you will find the main tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other useful objects. The Insert tab is the starting point for turning basic worksheet data into a visual chart that is easier to present and compare. In the Charts section, click the Insert column or bar chart icon. This icon usually looks like 3 vertical bars, and it opens a menu with several chart style options. These chart types are especially useful for salary data because they let you compare values side by side in a very clear format. From the drop-down menu, choose 2D clustered column if you want a traditional vertical chart. This option works well when the employee names are short and easy to read along the bottom axis. If the names are longer, you may prefer to select clustered bar instead. That style displays the bars horizontally, which often makes longer names much easier to read without crowding the chart. As soon as you click your preferred chart type, Excel will generate the chart automatically based on the selected data. This gives you a quick visual summary of salary information and makes it much easier to compare amounts at a glance. If readability is your main concern, the horizontal bar version can often be the better choice. The goal is to create a chart that looks clean and is easy for others to understand immediately. That covers everything you need to know.